Taro Forever, guys. Welcome back to another episode here on our channel. Special fatalo to our Inga members. Just gonna head to the cattle farm now with the kids to take water for the cows, but also just to check up on the plot that we finished planting this week, because we did have signs of cows coming over yesterday and the day before. So we're just gonna go check it out again, and just make sure that no cows are there. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Share our channel. And, we'll see you soon. Alright, so we've just arrived at the cattle farm. Kids are going to unload the water while I quickly just walk towards the other side to check the cows, because I think I saw a cow on our way here. So I'm just going to walk on just down towards that side.
Mickey. Que le ella maca. Vem, Mickey. Lại mày ai cũng xem Mickey. Suk. Ta trên mặt phải ngõ con rồi. Và lại Mickey. Ốc lê lê.
Mick. Ở ngồi ấy tôi là cái số bị tôi đâu.
Mickey.
Mick!
Oi, pessoal. Mickey.
Alright, guys, so we've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only see 5 here. So I'm just actually gonna walk towards down the end of the gate. I mean the end of the cattle fencing, and try to find them. Look, culpa de así. Lave por ahí. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which means there's 8 that's not accounted for. We're just gonna quickly walk towards down there. Mick! You guys can see the grass inside the cattle farm is not looking too good. It's a bit low. So there's a lot of brown patches, which is why Bart and the boys have prepared this patch here, this plot here, which we will move the cattle farm, the cows, hopefully next week, where the grass is nice and big and green. So that's what we'll be doing next week, just to give the grass here some time to regrow. Right, there's the other 4 here. Someone asked about coconuts, these coconuts lying around, if we can use them. Yeah, we can, but most of them are actually like stale now, like massa, which is why we don't use them. But we try to collect the fresh ones. Mick! Mick! So that's 8, looking for 8. Mick! Down there's the other plot we have to move the cows to, and that one has been, I think it's been about probably a year or probably 8 months. We haven't placed the cows down there yet, so it's been quite a while. The grass is good, but down there is somewhere we are planning to do a bit of kava or ava plantations, just down that side where the other plot is. You can already see some of the cows, so these are normally the hot spots they'll hang out in. So we're just gonna head there and count, and then we'll come back. That's why it's always important to make the effort to go check the cows, just to see if everything is all okay, especially cows, because the cows, now that Suki has passed away, because she was the eldest, the cows are like, everyone's doing their own thing. They used to follow Suki, and when Suki comes to drink, all the cows come to drink. No one stays behind. So she was sort of that mother, the mother figure in the cattle farm that everyone listens to, the elderly, but now that she's gone, it's like everyone's doing their own thing, which I don't like, because it just makes herding them so that I can count harder, as we can see today. Oh man. Alright, while we're here, we're just gonna check on that fence there. Alright, everything looks good, because the cows have a tendency to go outside. That side of the fence always has a tendency to break, so that's good. Now we're gonna go count the cows here. Alright, yeah, this was I was afraid of these small ones, just like going away and doing their own thing. Teddy, we made a walk on my leg. I can issue or go. Sus! Shh! Hello! Sus! Hiba! Debo! Shh! Hello! Yeah. Big! All right, let's count. 1 should be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, all cows are here. So I'm just trying. I want to get them to come up there, just so that they can drink as well. So, big. Ooh. That was quite a walk. Alright guys, so finally back at the gate now. What I thought was a cow, I was standing on that side. Just had another look while I was walking here. It wasn't a cow, it was actually a tree trunk that had broken because it's dead wood. It's been raining. It had a really strong brown color. So yeah, it wasn't a cow, but we'll show you guys the plot that we planted. Oh, also I forgot to show you guys. This is the new. So the next oldest cow is this cow, the new matriarch of the cattle farm. So yeah, remember, because she looks like a tiger. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys. So as you can see, we're finally here. So if you guys remember the Independence Day episode, if you guys watch there, see there. We started planting all the way from the top there, that bit. So we've already planted all the way down to here. That's the last tier pooler there for this corner, and then goes up towards that area. So far it's been very good. Most of these, so this is the Singa variety. That's Fusi, Saiko or Salangi. Some people call it Saiko, some people call it Salangi. I've only just realized that now. Got Samoa Lua. And these are all the tiapula that was from our partners, the Farmer Plus. So they were very grateful to have them distribute some of the tiapula for us, which we are very grateful for. So this is the Samoa Lua here. See, most of this red ones here is the Samoa Lua. What? City. Yeah, boy. And this was where the cows were. As you can see, there's a lot of stomping going on here. And yeah, see, the cows were, and this is what I was worried about today, was that in case there were going to be more stompings from cows. So we just want the taro to grow without being affected. All of this is talovave, all the way up to there where I was started planting. So see there, they've got a few leaves in the front. Steady. Oh, damn. Kia fai fa ko anga pe maku. Ha? Oh. Ko anga na gao. Oh. Quero leão fiel. Tudo. É fácil, quero facão. Alright, so this is where we were planting. As you can see, first leaves are already coming out. Yeah. Here. First leaves are already coming out of the tiapula there. So this is where I was planting. Started here, then we made it all the way up to there. The boys carried on the rest. Woo! Chào ý cáo. Cool. So yeah, guys, this plot here, this plot here, there's a small square in there. It has really bad growth for taro. We've planted it 3 or 4 times now, but that particular spot has always been really bad. So we're trying to think of something to do with that. I actually wanted to come try and grow something today, but time's not on our side. Plus I've got the kids here. I don't want to get dark while they're here. So yeah, okay, I'll show you talking about what I thought was a cow. So see that tree trunk there, right in the middle of the screen, the one towards the back, that sort of brown, dark brown, that's what I thought was a cow. So as the car was coming up on that side, I saw it to be a cow. What I thought was a cow, but it wasn't. But yeah guys, I think we're gonna head back home now. Just hoping we'll do another trip back tomorrow, as we usually do on Sundays, just to check, bring water for the cows again, but also just to check again, because I really don't like the cows coming here. So especially these are all new tiapula. So see that? See how it's not like standing up straight? That's because a lot of this was stomped by the cows about 2 days ago. So I really hope they grow instead of, you know, dying. Especially see there's a lot of cow poo here, and our cows are in the fence, yet there's a lot of cow poo here. So it's definitely these cows that keep coming here. That's odd. Why is this tiapula outside of the hole? Alright, let's go. Fai fo wili midokas wa o mi vai pensing. Yeah. Always have to guide them. You know, being on the farm, pass out, is one of the great things of having the kids on the farm. Freedom to do what they do, you know? Pasaulo. What's up? Alright guys, we actually climbed up a few tiapulas there. Sun went a bit too far on the left, but yeah, it's a learning curve. But yeah, we're gonna head home now. Mày eu que fia kama sta ave fali de ka vale eu le engon me de da oi au ngi ma malo vai o mai ya fa sa alu sule alu se alu se ku nga me alu ka va sule kama wili ulai sisisu mo ngor ko ingar ula fala ide ngor ka va de arsa ya de fia fai fa ko nga pe ma ku wa ku nga de wa pe ai lu ngo ka lu so de ei me di ol malu sit me de ko ka lo ai sa pe ai Alright guys, I think we're going to end off the episode here. Hope you guys enjoyed today's content. I just want to say thank you for supporting the channel. Really appreciate it, guys. Definitely catch you guys on our next episode, which should be on Sunday tonight. Hope you guys tune in. But yeah, guys, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys. Again, just want to say thank you again for the support. We'll see you guys on our next episode. Till then, God bless, take care, stay safe. See you guys soon.
Kan kakong. Elefane ipu o ofu watifa. Kau mai po.
Aso elefane. Wa mai sisa solo padua. I o sisa vale viva. Saka terkisi wa. Yes. Aso elefane ipu o. Saka terkisi wa rapis. Acho elefane Wati papanu nanata nanoro mama tu suati pusito solo fadua.